Hello and welcome to Lux Tutorial, and my name is Abhishek Gupta. Congratulations to all those students who have appeared in the CBSE board examination. Today their result has been already announced. Now it was not declared before that they are going to announce on which day. Suddenly today they have announced the result. But before telling me about the details of these things, first thing is to congratulate all those students as I have already done. Congratulations once again for the wonderful result. And one more thing that I want to mention over here is to congratulate the student of our center, that is Anandita Dasgupta, who has outperformed and she has scored a wonderful 95% in this year board examination. Congratulations, Anandita. Now let us go back to the details. Now today, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, the HRD minister, has announced at 12:40 p.m. that the result has been published in the official site of CBSE, that is cbseresult.nic.in. He has tweeted in his Twitter handle that, "Dear students, parents and teachers, @CBSE India 29 has announced the result of class 12 and can be accessed at cbseresult.nic.in. We congratulate you all for making this possible. I reiterate, students' health and quality education are our priority." So this has been tweeted by Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal. After this, there are multiple tweets that is going on. The West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has also tweeted and congratulated all the students that yes, you have performed very well. And after some time, the Education Minister Partha Chatterjee also congratulated the class 12 students. Now total 88.78% students have passed this year. The pass percentage has increased by 5.38% from last year, when 83.40% was the total pass percentage. Moreover, this year CBSE will not release any merit list. Earlier, CISE Council has also announced that it will not announce topper list for ISC and ICSE examination. Now the girls have outperformed boys. This year the pass percentage among girls is 92.15% and among boys it is 86.19%. Girls have done better than boys by 5.96%. Now 3.24% students scored above 95% this year in the class 12 CBSE examination. Now there are roughly 12 lakh students who have appeared for the examination of the CBSE 2020, and they are checking their results today after the announcement. But what happened? The site has crashed. Now this happened something near to 3 p.m. and at the same time, after checking that whether the site has working or not, the CBSE officials have updated over there that the link will be updated after 2 hours. Now the CBSE has tweeted that, as informed by the NIC, there is a technical issue in accessing CBSE result. The same is likely to resume in 2 hours. However, complete results have been sent to all schools and can be checked from official email IDs created for each student. Students can obtain the result from school. The results are also being published through DigiLocker. Now there are multiple ways to check the result. Now I'm going to discuss those methods quickly one by one. Now the first alternative of checking the CBSE result is Umang mobile app. Umang Unified Mobile Application for Age Governments is a unified platform for single point access to major central and state government services. The second method is IVRS, or Interactive Voice Response System, where the students can call and get the result. The telephonic number of NIC through which result can be accessed through IVRS are 243000699 and 01124300699. This is for the other parts of the country, and for Delhi you don't have to write 011 over there. The next is the private portals, that means the CBSE 12th result are also available on some of the exam result websites owned by private companies. The candidate may check the result from the private websites. Otherwise, they can go to the official website, which as of now is working. That means the cbseresult.nic.in. So these are the more updates about the result, how you can check the results. Now the CBSE 12th result in school-wise category, Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya have the best pass percentage, that is 98.7%, followed by Kendra Vidyalaya, that is 98.62%, and the private schools have the percentage of 88.22% this year. Now altogether 400 students could not be computed as per this category, that means the assessment scheme. The CBSE has announced that their result will be discussed later. Now Trivandrum region have topped the list of the performance, but Patna region is the last. That means Patna has the lowest percentage pass percentage, that is 74.57%. And the CBSE 10th result hasn't been announced today. It will be announced somewhere later, but it hasn't been announced. Now the CBSE has decided to replace the term fail, and rather writing fail in the result, they have written the term essential repeat. Hence in the result no fail word is mentioned. Now since the link has already been failed, the CBSE has done one more thing. Now CBSE has also said the individual results are being sent to the students through SMS and emails available with the board. So this they have done so that the students don't have to go to the link, and if the link is not working they will just get depressed. So the CBSE has done another step for the student. And if we are considering the state as well as the union territories, if we are considering both state and union territories, then in that particular case Lakshadweep has got the best pass percentage and Bihar has the lowest. So these are all the updates of the CBSE result that came out today in the afternoon. Now if you like the video, click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification, because we will be coming up with all the updates of the result, as well as if you are a math student, you can watch my videos which are already there in the channel for 9, 10, 11 and 12. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification. We will be back with another video. Thank you for watching the video. Till then, goodbye.